Alright guys, we're here at the Nike factory store at San Ysidro at Las Americas outlet. I'm gonna go see what they have in store today. And the first thing you'll see here, they'll have like this display with like Air Force One and different shoes that they'll have in stock, and also you could order online as well. We're gonna start at the bigger size. So it appears to be they have the Mellow 13s. It's $159 minus 30% off. So it's 30% off at the hash wall. It's all late in the afternoon, so a lot of this stuff is picked already. So you'll see a lot of different slots open. So you see some Kobe's here, the Mamba Focus. Retail price minus 30. I have here the Jordan Mars 270. Not too fond of that shoe. Let's see what they have in stock. They have these camo 312s, size 13. Oh my god, it's retail price though. Even with 30% off, not worth it. If you're looking for dad shoes, they have the M2K Technos, the white black. It's $30. Not bad. They have the original Monarchs here. Again, $44.97 minus 30. $30 for that. I like the clearance store. You have this colorway, the Vandal High Spring. So it's $21, so it's $49 after discount. And they have these Blue Furies. Retail price though, minus 30. It's still pretty high. Let's see, JDI's free run. It's $42 after discount. They have these Air Force One Foamosites. It's $129 minus 30. They have these Apex React. Size 9.5s. $190 minus 30. Hard pass on that. They have a lot of like Tailwinds, Epic React, 2 Finits. Gonna see what they have that stands out, you guys. So they have these Soon Turfs, the Detroit Lions colorway. Retail price minus 30. And they still have these metallic gold Air Jordan 1 lows from the last time we were here. Still have them here. So retail price though. And if you guys are looking for chlorophyll, they have a full size, not really a full size run. Looks like 10s and 10.5s. And these ones, the Foamosites, or the Foamposite, the KGs, they are a lot cheaper now, but they're still $109, no additional discounts. And right next to it, the Air Max Uptempo 95s, both the Chicago colorways, $79 and $84.99. Of course, you have the Sock R4s and the Sock NCEU. Okay. I do see an Element 80, the Element 55 colorways. This one is new, and this one I don't recall, but it looks new to me. Of course, you have the other colorways that has been here before. So for the pick of the week here, it's the Air Max 720, the red, the University Red. Typically this was around like $134 a couple weeks ago. So this is a good pickup for $99. I would hold off because there's a full-size run until this goes onto the hash wall for additional discount. I'm just gonna do a quick run through the running or training sections. They have the Zoom Gravities, different shoes. Okay, just gonna run through the running shoes. A lot of Nike React, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna go in the women's sizes. I'm just gonna see. They have this particular men's shoe in the women's size. I don't know why. It's $69.97. Size 13s men or 14.5s in women. And they have these lunar long ones. Size 7. It doesn't tell me what price. It's like a golf shoe. Oh, it is a golf shoe. So they have these women Air Jordan 3 retros in size 6. The blue. Interesting. It has like a Velcro strap. Midnight navy. Going for retail price minus 30. Okay, where the kids sizes. Yep, these Air Force One lows. Grade school $59.99. So 42 bucks. And you've seen these Air Jordan 8s for kids in this colorway. The 97s. 104 minus 30. Go right above that. There is Air Max 95s. 79 minus 30. And you have these Cortez in black and white. You have the blue and white in the nylon blue. You see it has Los Angeles. Yep, it's a Los Angeles one. So for 28 bucks. And if you want your toddlers to have a Huarache, here it is, 44 bucks. Just hand down for you guys the other shoes that they have. You have these awesome Roshi ones in the wolf gray colorway. $29.99, so 18 bucks for these. Just gonna do a quick look at the aisles for the kids. You have a lot of nice Nike React Prestos. That colorway, this colorway, this other colorway, this one, and the black. So we're in the women's sizes. They have this 720. It looks like in the Chinese New Year colorway for $80. Not bad. And you see Joyride's dropping in prices. Now 45 bucks from 180. Same thing with this, 180 down to $70 for this colorway. And in the women aisle again, they have the VaporMax 2019s. A great price for $89.99, and this great like rose gold type colorway. And this one, I think it's the best colorway I've seen so far for the women here at the San Ysidro. It's the VaporMax 2019s in the metallic gold black, $109. So for the women's size, you have this pick of the week, the Odyssey React 2 Flyknit, going for $59.99. And then for additional women runners, they have these here, the React Flyknit 2s. Alright guys, we're going to call that a day here at the Nike outlet at San Ysidro. If you guys like this type of content, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. I try to release a video every week, about 1 to 2 videos a week. Alright guys, until the next video,